Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to talk about the incredible health benefits of cinnamon, a spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. Cinnamon is a flavorful spice that's commonly used in baked goods and holiday treats, but did you know that it's also incredibly good for your health? Here are the top 5 health benefits of cinnamon that you may not know about. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants, which can help to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to many chronic health conditions. Cinnamon may help to lower blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. This makes it a great spice for people with diabetes or anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has been shown to have antimicrobial properties, which means that it can help to fight off bacteria and fungi. This makes it a great spice for supporting immune health and preventing infections. Cinnamon may also help to improve brain function by increasing focus, memory, and overall cognitive performance. So, how can you add cinnamon to your diet? There are many ways. You can add cinnamon to your coffee, tea, or smoothies for a delicious and healthy boost. You can also sprinkle it on top of oatmeal or yogurt, or use it to flavor baked goods and desserts. When choosing cinnamon, it's best to look for Ceylon cinnamon, which is considered to be the true cinnamon. It has a milder flavor and lower levels of coumarin, a compound that can be toxic in high doses. In summary, cinnamon is a powerful spice with many health benefits that you may not know about. So, the next time you're reaching for a sweet treat, consider adding a little cinnamon to boost your health as well as your taste buds. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content.